Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit vlog a video on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this, in here you just click on the template at the bottom. Click on it, and in here you at the top this one, so you just click on it, and in here you can search, you can go back, and in here at the menu, this one, you can swipe until you can see a vlog, this one, so you just click on it, and after this, in here you can see many templates for edit your vlog. You can choose the template that you want, but in here I want to try to add this one, so you just click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the use template at the bottom, this one, and now you can add the video that you want to add to your vlog. Maybe this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Sorry, one more, this one, and after this you can click next at the bottom, this one, click on it. Okay, you can waiting. Okay, now you can see your vlog. You can adjust for the video at the vlog. You can click on this clip. You can click on the edit, and then you can go to replies. If you want to change the video, you can crop the clip that you wanted to short your video, this one, and then after this you can adjust for the volume this video. But in here I want to try to crop this video, so you just click on the crop, and after this, in here you can swipe left or right like this for the add a video that you want to crop, maybe this one, and after this you can click on the confirm at the bottom, and after this, in here you can adjust the edit text again. You can adjust for the today like this one, or you can change this one for this one. So after this, in here you can export the video, so you just click on the export and finish. So after this you can go to export without watermark, or you can export to watermark with a CapCut apps. So that's how to make video vlog on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.